Hey guys, today I'm sorry about my sister. She's playing Fortnite with her friend. Maybe you hear like noises and stuff, but I'm sorry about that. But today I'm playing. Oh, somebody messaged me. Yeah, today I'm just gonna play. Okay. Hey, can you watch my two Sims? And one of them input you in, but also sorry for asking. But I think she doesn't. I'm gonna say, do you have YouTube channel? Do you have a YouTube? I'm asking her because I'm wondering. But I'm not gonna have this video. It's not gonna be long because I don't have a lot of class, and it will take like forever. And it will take it will post tomorrow too if I have time. And yeah, and I will do that. Ow, 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 my hair. Ow! Okay, sorry. Yeah, so I can't talk today. Yeah, so I'm just gonna play a little bit today, and I know that you guys are wondering why I always film I always film like 2 hours and then I film again, and then 1 hour and then I film again, because I'm bored, and sometimes I am bored and my friend won't talk to me, so I like making videos, and I think that's fun because I like to post videos and sometimes edit them. I'm gonna try to edit because it's like if I invite my friends to Screen-O-Matics, then Matics, because then they can then I can get a prize, and that prize is that I can edit videos. So that's good, and I can do some stuff. That's cool. And I'm inviting, I already invite every single friend that I have, and they have 4 or 5 steps that I need to do, and I did those, so yeah. Why is this always thing getting my face? Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm not gonna film that long. Just gonna say that really quick. Oops, what did I do? I did something really, I don't know what I did. I wanna be a cowboy, baby. I know I'm in that. Okay, yep. Oh. So that you guys cannot see right now. There you go. So yeah, this video I said it won't be that long, and I will just talk to you guys on here. So if you guys want me to do a part 2 of giving shoutouts, or I'm gonna also make if you guys can send me presents, that would be really nice of you all. I really want mail time, so if you guys want to mail time, send me presents on this name, Nirvana space Hassan. You will find it in UK account. And yeah, so if you guys want to send me presents, I'm okay with that. Yeah, bye.